Hello everyone, I am Vignesh. I am going to share about infrastructure of Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology. A positive surrounding helps students to concentrate on their studies. Likewise, our campus provides lots of positivism. Mainly, Karpaga Vinayaga College provides many greenery area around our campus. When we take a look into our campus, we have many halls for club activities, auditoriums, seminar halls and well-organized classrooms with necessary facilities. Now, let me introduce the most special place of our college. Especially, my favorite spot is library, where we get lots of reference books regarding our subjects. Let me share the most favorite spot of all the students, a perfect spot for having fun. They provide a Oriental Indian menus, cafeteria. Overall, our campus is a user-friendly campus. It benefited me in many ways and same for upcoming students also. So our campus is a fullest of joy for the upcoming students.